super cozy today, so this is how I'm gonna welcome you to the video. I am on a 4-day flight attendant trip. That seems to be the theme this month. I'm on a 27-hour layover here in Madison, Wisconsin. I have been rotting in bed all day long because we got in around 2 a.m. and got to our hotel a little bit after that. And I went to bed around 3:30 and I have to wake up at 3:30 tomorrow. So stuff like that really throws me off, throws my sleep off. I'm gonna go to the gym after I eat to walk out some energy and see if that helps. But I've definitely been in bed all day. I'm gonna go to this place called Lucille. It's actually a pizza place. They do have gluten-free and vegan pizza options. I'm gonna go, let me fix the camera. I'm gonna go and get my pizza, probably to go, knowing me. I'm taking myself on a date and you should do the same. Even if it's just to walk to your favorite cafe and get a latte that you don't have to make, or going to your favorite place for lunch. Just kind of sitting and being with yourself and seeing what it is you want instead of always trying to please everyone. And also ordered some stuff from a paleo bakery, Paleo Mama, if you're in Madison, Wisconsin. And it looks really good. They don't use refined sugar. They don't use any bad oil like canola or vegetable. And it's gluten-free and vegan, most of the stuff. Build your own gluten-free vegan cheese, garlic, and mushrooms. And I asked them to put only olive oil on the pizza. And I got an arugula salad. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. And then just a very simple arugula salad with lemon and olive oil. I'm about to dig in. First bite. I just realized they didn't put tomato sauce on a pizza. That's so random, but I guess it is build your own, so I didn't say. It's actually probably better I didn't get it because it can make my IC flare up. So this is just garlic, vegan cheese, and mushrooms. That's good. I wanted to show you the dessert I got from Paleo Mama. Oh, this looks so good. This is their, what is this? This is their raw cheesecake, and it literally has cookie dough on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. And then their vegan pecan bars. It has pecans, almond flour, organic coconut oil, maple syrup, coconut sugar, pure vanilla extract, and Himalayan sea salt. Look how yummy those look. I'm excited. I'm just eating whatever I want today, but still made with high quality, healthy ingredients. And that's the way to do it. But if you're craving something, don't deny yourself. Just try to get the best version of it for you. That's not gonna hurt your body. No, I'm kind of regretting the no marinara though. Oh well. I want to share my favorite products that have really been a game changer for me as a frequent traveler and someone who's all about holistic health. I can't start any video about my favorite products for travel without talking about my purchase from Amazon. I've had this for over 3 years now, and it's truly worth every penny. It was $45 on Amazon, and I'm gonna link everything in the description so you don't have to worry about what the name of it is. I use it to make my matcha lattes when I'm in my hotel room. You can actually make cold foam with it, make it hot, make it super frothy, make it not frothy at all but still hot. I love this. Best purchase. I'm a very light sleeper and I'm very sensitive to a hotel room that's too quiet. I don't want noise obviously, but I need like a fan or something. I love this little travel friendly fan if it's perfectly in my luggage. This one is actually sharper image, but it does have a night light as well, and you can open it to make it louder or close it to make it less loud. It's super travel friendly. Ever I get anxiety or I'm feeling like a little bit all over the place, I love to take Five Seasons Anxiety. It's truly the best. It has really good healthy ingredients, and it definitely helps me to calm down. Can't do any supplement recommendations without Quinton minerals. This is the Quinton isotonic. They also have a hypertonic, which is more intense. The isotonic is the same salinity of our blood, and it just helps deeply hydrate you, give you your minerals and your electrolytes. It's actually made from ocean water. Obviously, hydration is a big thing I need to focus on because I'm in the air so much. And these actually do travel well. I know they're glass, but I've had no issue traveling with them in my little medicine bag. Love anything from Beekeepers Natural. Their vitamin C packets, super travel friendly. Love the ingredients and love that it has propolis and vitamin C in it. Great. Now we're gonna move into skincare. I've been trying out argan oil to cleanse my face, and so far so good. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it will not break you out, and it just feels so wonderful on your skin. You want to make sure that you're getting an organic cold press with the only ingredient being argan oil. There we go. This is a great multi-purpose product. I use it as a moisturizer on my hand because the plain water and soap is so drying. Ask any flight attendant, or if you're a frequent traveler and you wash your hands, you know. But I use this as a moisturizer on my face. You can use it in your hair. You can also use it on your cuticles. You can use it on your lips. Truly, your body. This is good for everything. Take off your makeup and to moisturize. This pomegranate seed oil is incredible, and it smells, oh my gosh, I can't even explain. It's almost like gummy bears and sugar and dessert, but very natural, almost floral in a way. I don't know how to describe it. It's cold pressed organic pomegranate oil. It is really good for anti-aging, helps actually with acne, and it helps to smooth out your skin. I will mix a few drops of this with the argan oil to put on top of my moisturizer. I've been trying out a new face wash because I discovered that my face wash did have a very poor clogging ingredient in it, which I didn't know. So it's very important if you do struggle with sensitive, acne prone skin or any of that, you want to be making sure that you're checking the ingredients of the products that you're using. This is the Vetted Derm Lab C cleanser. It doesn't have vitamin C in it, it's just C for cleanser. It's in a glass bottle. It also feels gentle. It definitely suds up, but they use sulfates that are very gentle and the best that you can get for sensitive skin. Lots of sulfates strip your skin. This one was made for sensitive skin in mind, and it's wonderful. No fragrance, no oils. Tower 28, I love bringing the travel one with me. It's highly antibacterial. You spray it on after you cleanse your face. Let it dry for a little bit, at least 30 seconds, and then put on your other products, and it just kills bacteria and helps with redness. You can actually get hypochlorous acid spray from Amazon that's cheaper, and I will link that one as well. I haven't personally tried it, but I will link this one and a cheaper version. This is my go-to moisturizer year-round. La Roche-Posay Tolérine Sensitive Fluid. I discovered this when I was on vacation in Austria and forgot my moisturizer at home. So random, but this has been my favorite product. This is a very lightweight moisturizer, but if you put this with the argan oil or the pomegranate oil, it's perfect, because sometimes this is not even enough for me. I discovered these at Erewhon a year ago when I was there on my birthday, and these are the best pimple patches out there. They're from Face Tory, and I got them on Amazon now, 72 patches, and the best part is it has tea tree oil in it. Moving into makeup, this is my favorite powder foundation. I'm not a huge powder foundation girl, but this lasts me all day when I'm on the plane, and it is so good for sensitive skin. I use the color Beige 1. It's still a little bit too dark, and this is their lightest color. That's my only complaint. If you have very sensitive skin or you just don't want to do the liquid foundation thing, the Good Mineral is for you. I feel like my skin still breathes when I wear it on long flights. My tried and true translucent setting powder is from Alina Organics. It's made from crushed pearls. Pearls have been used for centuries in Asia predominantly to help with youthfulness, to help with wrinkles, to give you a glow, to remove dark spots. This is so good for your skin, and it actually does help with oil. Now obviously it's not going to work like one with a million ingredients that's strictly for oil, but if you want natural and non-comedogenic, this is my favorite thing ever. My go-to blush, also not going to clog your pores, and a very pretty pink. It is from Cary Grant. The label is not on there anymore, but it is such a beautiful shade, if you can see that. I'm scared I'm gonna drop it, but Cary Grant has this beautiful mineral blush. My favorite mascara that's non-toxic is Ilia Volumizing Mascara. I know you've heard of Ilia. This is truly the best mascara, and the way to get your lashes super long and thick, the trick is to start at the base and wiggle your way up like that and move up and then do a couple of layers. People always ask me how I get my lashes so long. That's how. This guy from Amazon I've had for over 4 years, but just recently started using again, and I broke the red attachment, which is really good for inflammation and redness and anti-aging. But the violet, this turns purple when you turn it on, and it sends like currents through it, and you just zap your face and it brings oxygen to your skin, which kills the bacteria on your skin. It was not expensive at all, but if you feel a breakout or see a breakout coming on, you can zap it, and it doesn't feel good now. You zap it and you kill the bacteria, and then your breakouts heal a lot faster. My dry body brush that I've shown in another video, this is like $4 from Amazon, but this helps so much with helping your body detox things. It keeps your blood flowing and helps with detoxification and bloating. I love this after a long flight before a shower. My Bala bangles, I travel with these everywhere, and it just makes any workout so elevated. They have a lot of different colors. It fits perfectly in your bag, and it's just great. Carbon monoxide detector, it's very important to travel with these because a lot of states do not require hotels to have them, and you just would rather be safe than sorry. Another all-time favorite is my Hygge red light. This is their charge model, perfect for travel, as you can see, and it's just really good for anti-aging, helps any breakouts and inflammation, and just boost your mood. Red light is so good for you mentally and your skin, so it's a win-win. I also bring my own towel now to hotel rooms because I don't want to use the hotel towel, but I overate. I ate too much pizza and I'm not really used to that, so I'm gonna go walk and I'm gonna go downstairs, get some hot water, and drink some of my dandelion root tea. Dandelion root tea is really good to help your body digest things properly. It also helps with liver detoxification. It's also going to help me not feel so bloated after overeating. So I'm going to drink that, walk on the treadmill for about an hour, nothing crazy, and go to bed because we have to wake up at 4 a.m. Our van got pushed because we're delayed, but maybe it'll be delayed more. I have no idea, but I hope you enjoyed this part of the video. Workout done. Let's go shower.